Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, July 5, 2022 on our channel. Cliven presented the new SPHERA EVO 2.0 EASYHybrid range. Thermo King accelerates electrification innovation in Europe with new research and development center. Hoshizaki completes construction of Ozti factory in Turkey. Safe HVACR 2022. Rittal and STULZ USA announce partnership. So, first news today. Cliven presented the new SPHERA EVO 2.0 EASYHybrid range. The new SPHERA EVO 2.0 EASYHybrid range comes in two versions. Box split heat pump from 4 to 16 kilowatts with integrated 24 or 34 kilowatts. T-box unit can be installed inside an aesthetic cabinet called T-Uno, to which two other cabinets, T2 and T3, can be added to make up in quad, the central heating unit in quad. SPHERA EVO 2.0 EASYHybrid is the integrated system producing instantaneous DHW besides space heating and cooling. It is a solution for the total comfort all year round for any installation in place. Heat pump optimized function. SPHERA EVO 2. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Thermo King accelerates electrification innovation in Europe with new research and AMP development center. Thermo King by Trane Technologies, a global climate innovator, launched a new research and development R&AMP-D center adjacent to its sustainable manufacturing operations in Galway, Ireland. The R&AMP-D center, with capacity for up to 70 engineers, adds to the company's electrification design and engineering capabilities in Europe, which includes an R&AMP-D center in Essen, Germany. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Hoshizaki completes construction of Ozti factory in Turkey. In May 2022, the Öztiryaklılar Madeni Esya Sanayi ve Ticaret Anonim Şirketi, hereinafter referred to as Ozti, group of companies built a plant in Tekirdağ, Turkey, next to the current plant, and began production. This will be the fourth production base in Turkey. Hoshizaki began investing in Ozti in 2019 and plans to make it a consolidated subsidiary by acquiring a 39% ownership, and over 51% in 2023. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Safe HVACR 2022. Safe HVACR 2022 aims to extend a platform for your organization to come in front of decision makers that spec and source billions of dollars for their plans and multiple projects. Exhibiting at Safe HVACR 2022 will generate an opportunity for the exhibitors to engage in discussions, demonstrate and introduce their technologies, ideas, products and services in an interactive manner. Engagement of international exhibitors from potential export zones of Bangladesh may lead good opportunity for our HVACR industry players to reach beyond domestic peripheral. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Rittal and STULZ USA announce partnership. Rittal, the leading provider of industrial enclosures and IT infrastructure, and STULZ USA, a leading providing of mission-critical cooling systems, have entered into a partnership that will focus on joint product development and collaboration to further support the data center infrastructure. Customers throughout the USA will benefit from one-stop IT infrastructure solutions and from an expanded portfolio of premium IT and precision cooling systems for mid-size to large data centers. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.